So out of all the mods that I do to my motorcycles, there's one that I think is the most important mod to do first. Of course, exhaust is awesome. Big power, big sound, looks great. ECU flash, probably your best bang for the buck mod that you can do on your bike. Sprockets, fender eliminator. There's a ton of mods that you can do, but there's one that you guys should do first. By the way, I feel like I haven't repped Torchies in a while, so that's why I'm wearing the hat. I think the hat looks terrible on me, but my hair looks worse right now, so that's why I'm wearing it. But yeah, so while it wasn't the first mod that I did on my S1000, the ECU flash was the first thing that I did here. This I should have done right away. Before I tell you what it is though, this video is sponsored by myself. Clearance sale on my website, motonosity.com/shop. 40% off pretty much everything in my store, no coupon necessary. Just about everything in the store except for like 2 of the colors that I have on key tags. When they're gone, they're gone. The reflective stickers, the classic vinyl stickers that I have, the Life's Better with Horsepower shirts and key tags, pretty much everything on my website, when it's gone, and right now it's 40% off. So head over there, the link is in the description, get yourself some merch, and all of you that already have it, I appreciate it. All of you that head over there now, thank you so much. Now, the mod that I'm talking about is protection, whether it be frame sliders, axle sliders, bar ends, case savers. I think that you should do it first. Now, there's nothing worse than dropping or laying down your new motorcycle under the stupidest circumstances and ending up with a scratch on your bike. It doesn't even have to be a crash. In fact, that's why I think you should do it first, because in all the situations where it's not a crash, you're gonna feel so much worse. I'm talking like tripping in your garage and laying your bike down, standing at a stoplight and your shoelace getting stuck on your peg and falling over, having a rear stand slip and the bike falls off the rear stand. I mention all these things because these are things that have happened to me. And if you don't have protection on your bike, you're gonna have a bad day. So I've teamed up with Motovation on the build on my S1000. They're helping out with a lot of the parts that you guys are gonna see on the bike. They're actually a local shop. They're really cool guys, and they have parts for just about every sport bike out there. You should check them out. I'll link the parts that I'm gonna be installing today down in the description. You guys can check them out as well. They set me up with basically Evotech's complete line of like frame protection and sliders. Evotech is a really great brand. I first worked with them back on my WR250, if you guys remember that build. These are the parts that we've got for the S1000 that we're gonna be putting on the bike. I've got bar ends and sliders and I don't know what is what, but we've got like frame sliders, if that's what that is. We've got rear spools. This is actually a radiator guard that it's gonna go in the front. You guys can see in here, the radiator is pretty massive and you guys wanna protect this thing. Plus it's black, then more sliders. So we're gonna be putting all of these on the bike, and then I'll have a little bit of peace of mind that even if I set this thing down, all I'm gonna do is mess up the ends of these sliders, and that's what they're made for. I'm gonna get this stuff taken out, and we're gonna start putting this stuff on the bike. Okay, real quick before I actually install these, I like keeping track of the weights of everything that I put onto the bike. I put it in a little spreadsheet so I can keep track of the actual like weight gain or weight loss of all the parts that I put on. So I weighed all of these, and I just went ahead and wrote the weight on each of the bags for each part. And that way, once I'm done with this and I take parts off, I can put the difference into my little spreadsheet and just keep track of that stuff. I want to get a set of scales so I can actually weigh the bike to see what it actually weighs. But in the meantime, I just like keeping track of the weights of each individual part. So I just prepped the radiator guard. It's got these little rubber things that push through some circular holes within this guard. And then it also has these foam sticky tabs that you put on the corners. This is all in the instructions that you can get on the Evotech website. And then here's the lower one. Same thing, only this one has 4. And then it has a couple of the foam tabs right here. And now I'm gonna try to figure out how to get this on. All right, so I'm done with everything that I decided I'm gonna do. I decided not to do the rear sliders. Reason being is that I have another mod coming soon and I would just have to take those off, and that's gonna happen really, really soon. So I'm gonna leave those off for now. So the total net weight loss gain was 1.3 pounds gained. Reason being is for this, we're basically just adding weight for protection. We did lose some weight from the passenger pegs. I think they're about 1.5 pounds. So all in all, 1.3 pounds gained for the protection that I added. I'll take that any day of the week. I really, really like the radiator guards. It basically blacks out the inside of this. It makes it really nice and clean, super solid. Again, I am a huge fan of Evotech's stuff. I haven't used any of their products since back on my WR250, but I know when I had their stuff on that, I loved it. And again, major thanks to Motovation for hooking me up on parts for this. I was already familiar with Evotech, so that's a brand that I chose, and I'm incredibly happy with how it turned out. I am every single day just blown away by the little things that make this bike what it is and make it as nice as it is. The bolts, for example, on this thing, so high quality, and the fitment on these fairings is so perfect, better than any other bike that I have worked on before. I can't get over how nice this bike is, every single inch of it, no matter what you encounter on it. It's so nice. But that is everything that we have on the bike. I want to take this thing out. I'll probably, I think I'm gonna go put my my kids to bed real quick. And after I do that, depends on how the sun is. It may be a night ride, I'm not sure, but we're gonna get a ride on this thing. Just because I want to go ride it, not because I need to test anything out with the frame protection. I just want to go ride it. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll see you guys out on the road. Daily 100 time. That was easy. Oh my goodness. Those downshifts are just so freaking clean. I'm telling you, if you guys ever have a chance to ride a bike that has clutchless downshifting, that was a good test. Ooh, oh man, that felt good. Another reminder for you guys, got that clearance sale over on my website. Link is at the top of the description, motonosity.com/shop. I got up to 40% off of just about everything in the store, and when it's gone, it's gone. So head over there, get yourself a deal, get your hands on some merch that won't be coming back. Check out the EvoTech parts that I installed on the bike today, and if you're interested for parts for your bike, make sure you check out motovationusa.com. There'll be a link down in the description as well. Appreciate them hooking me up with these protection parts on the bike. You guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified of all the videos coming out for this bike and more. Otherwise, that is it. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life flipped, and I'll see you guys in the next one.